Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to get verified on Instagram. Step 1. Log into the Instagram account. Want to get verified via the Instagram app for iOS or Android and navigate to the profile tab by tapping the profile picture in the bottom menu. Step 2. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner of the profile tab. Step 3. Select settings. Step 4. Select account. Step 5. Select request verification. Step 6. Enter your full name in the full name field. Describe who are you in the known as field and select a category your account falls into from the category drop down list. Step 7. Without closing the app, exit Instagram and use your device to take a photo of a piece of government issued photo ID that shows your name, birthday, or official business document. Appropriate forms include a driving license, passport, national identification card, tax returns, statement, recent utility bill, or article of incorporation returned to Instagram and tap Choose File to select the photo of your ID from your device. Step 8. Tap Send to submit your application for review. Hope this guide will help you to verify it on Instagram. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much.